Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to align images in a WordPress blog post, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress website admin dashboard, and here in the left side we get a post section, and I have been into the post and I have clicked the all post, right? So we are into the all post section as of now. Let me edit any of my blog posts that I have already published, so it would be easier for you to understand. So let me edit this one. So I have clicked on edit button under the blog post title, and we are into the editor mode, right? And here you can see there is an image. You just need to click this image, and here it is the alignment option. Whenever you select an image, then automatically a pop-up toolbar would appear in front of you under in the top of that image, right? And here there is an alignment option. You just need to click on align, and here you will find the align left. If you select the align left, then this image would be aligned set in left alignment, and if you select the center alignment, then it would be adjusted to the center alignment, and if you select the right alignment, then it would be settled down to the right alignment, right? As this image is of full size, so you're not able to see whatever the changes I am doing right now, right? So let me decrease the size of this image, then you can see, right? This image is getting aligned to the right side, right? But if I again do this, so it is again set over here. So if your image is of full size, then automatically it would not make any difference, because whether you left align or whether you right align, there would be no changes, right? But if your image size is smaller, then you can simply align that image in left side or right side or center or none, right? You just need to select that image, and a pop-up toolbar would appear on top of that image automatically, and you just need to click on the align button, and from here you can select the alignment of that image. So this is how you can align your image in a WordPress blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned a detailed blog post link in that video description that you can simply read, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.